Artini rung surungi tongnai tei mafa rong ni bagai KOKTWMA kaham munggenang kumlung amtani rung nok Sal Sampili Academy orung logo tabung admission Twlangjagwi tongo krina kang sini jenggai rem char tei rem tutu dora orung logo kaham khlaino tren nok tongjabo hostel ni sethabu odaga tongo math physics chemistry BSc MSc BEd phorongnai rokbo tongo odaga English tei kongborokbo sabago Hongni damsipu ni simi jenggai damsini jorani bising kerung manai admission ni bagai jora thamsak ni bising dorok ni besarbu ena nau wansugui kerung di kontak number by kontak number engka 9862443379 dewisya sawana 9862447779 on number by
Blag ya hampai long istangan ayamanikai si Sal Sampili Secretary Compounder Office. We have established in 2002. Established coming for it. Till today, Sasa Academy is growing. Sasa Academy is growing in the field of education. Thousands of students have left our school, passed out. But till today, we have not gone down. We are increasing slowly. With limited resource, with limited capacity, we are trying to give the best education. If you want to get admission, please ask the public, see our background as we are doing better in Kabul. This time, the time for our admission class 11 class. Please don't waste time, come forward and enjoy the education environment of Sal Sampili Society. Thank you very much.